Okay, we should be on video. Okay, welcome back to Fister Farms, everybody. You're gonna ask me, what are you doing here again in corn? Yep, we're in corn again. My uncle's ahead of me with the big gleaner. Right now the circumstances at the moment are darkness because it is. I got home after school at 4 and now we're combining. I didn't really feel like doing a video on the first round, but I might as well do one now with these awesome combines. Should be some grain in there. I think there is. Yep, you can see it. And we're knocking out more corn. Like we haven't knocked out enough yet. I got my lights on. He hasn't turned his lights on yet. On his combine yet. But I'm just trying to keep this boat in a straight line, and Dad's making corn stalk bales and doing all that fun jazz. I don't have the drone tonight either. That's in his truck. Hopefully he'll just bring his truck over here, but there you go. There's corn harvesting action on the header there. So you know what's really cool? Is when you can run a whole truckload an hour. Would be awesome. But we can, I don't think we'll ever be that big into this. It would be cool one day to run a whole truckload an hour, cruising along at 2.5 miles per hour, 2.4, 2.5, don't matter to me. Pretty close to 2.5. You can bump it up a little bit because there ain't much material going through the combine at the moment. I think the header's down low enough. Just having fun knocking out all this corn acres, and with that sunset, you can't lie. You can't lie one bit. Say corn harvest is not fun when you got that sunset in front of you. That's just awesome. This time of year is the best sunset photos. By far the best. Bump the speed down a little bit. Now we're trying to do the outside rounds off this field, and we'll hopefully get a truck out. The 46 is behind me. Pointing my hand at you, but the 46 is behind me, and well, one thing I'm just distracted by is that sunset. That's just beautiful. It's almost more fun than the combine. That's just awesome. You can't say you had a bad day when you need to look up at that every once in a while. That's just an awesome day. Might even take a thumbnail photo. Oh boy. Our efficiency's gonna go down for a little bit. As my uncle's turning the corner here with his. Oh, that's cool. That means we got quite a bit of grain in there. And I'm just about full right now, I guess. From what the flapper dapper's saying, I'm pretty full. And the window covered, that means we ain't got much room left. That's pretty good for this corn. This corn's on some drier-ish ground. Drier-ish, kind of wettish dry. It's just wetter in spots and more sand mixed in other spots, I guess, from what I get. I think my uncle's trying to turn around or something down there. One thing that I know is, oh no, yeah, he's full, I think. I think he's full, and I took the second outside round, so I gotta be getting pretty full then. We're actually gonna stop right here and check. Ah, it's getting there. That's beautiful. He's down there. Man, that's good camera work, eh? And we're back in the combine. Get hammering along again. Probably deaf you guys out there, but that's the thing is, that's kind of what a combine does to people, make them deaf. They didn't have cabs on combines. Our old Massey 750 before we got this. That thing was a freaking heat box and a noise maker. That's what that thing was. It was so hot in there. In the summertime, in the wintertime, it worked great because it was nice and warm, and it just worked awesome in the winter. Because the heater would always work because the motor was basically, your motor was right here. Instead of behind you, it was right next to you. And I think the radiator was getting pretty plugged up. One time when we were using it doing oats, we had to frickin' stop like every round or two. Should be getting full. Oh boy, we're off road. Oops. That was an accident. I'm gonna go back and empty this out into the 46 right away. I don't know if we're gonna make it to the end. I better check again. We got like 300 feet to go. We'll make it. Or we'll see how far I can get it. 100 feet to the end. And once these gleaners start spilling over, they spill over fast. They don't spill out the front or on top of your cab. They spill out behind you and to the sides. It's more the theme with the gleaner way. Hopefully cross your fingers right away. Right now, cross your fingers. We're going to make it to the end and no corn on the ground. I got to zoom back after I get to the end. Just scooting along harvesting right now. Almost to the end. Are we going to make it? The boats are in. We just fell in a hole with one tire though. That might have messed with my result. Okay, and we're just about here. Take the header up. Get them ears in there. There we go, we got a couple. We're turning around and going back. We're gonna fire the sunset. Man, that shows up good on the camera. That just shows up great on my camera I got. That's just beautiful. That's God's beauty. And I'm gonna take a thumbnail photo, so I'll see you guys in a few. I'm gonna go unload into the cart. And then, I don't know, we're gonna do some more combining maybe, I don't know. Or I'm gonna go hop out and take this picture. Actually, keep you guys on video. Just header down. Turn off, oh what? The lights. Turn off the lights and go take a dig. Hit this picture real quick. That ain't a half bad photo up. Man, that looks good. Right now's a good time to press the thumbs up on the video too. So, we'll see you guys in a few once I get to that cart. We're gonna fill the cart next. Time to unload. Guys, don't worry. Whoa, I almost fell backwards. We're unloading corn again, and he's coming down to unload also, I think. Kind of cool watching the grain go down. Man, that sunset's good. Finish up unloading this. We're going to see what we're going to be doing next in a second. But hopefully I'm going to take them rows back and we're going to get some stuff done here. And I don't think you need to move the cart for the first dump. So I can video this whole first dump right now. Just emptying her out, and for another couple of rounds we can go, I guess. And he's waiting now, so I better let you guys go or get inside the cab or do something productive. Here. Just unloading that. Here's the green, dirty green window, I guess. It's almost empty. We should be getting to the end though. And that's gonna be a wrap for a dump. It takes a minute and 2 minutes. We're folding in the auger right now. That thing folds in like all the way backwards as you can get from a regular just combine. And there's a 7110. A 7110, the Bradford just pulled in. I don't know what Dad's gonna do, if he's gonna take over what I'm doing or what. I'm probably gonna be stuck as a grain cart driver again, but we're gonna attempt to combine some more corn here. Attempt, key word. There we go. We're just gonna stop her right here. Wind up. Get this thing rolling again, I guess. With the lights on and all that stuff, it looks pretty neat coming down the road. You can't see worth the crap because kind of the lights that are shining right there you gotta turn off. Because they shine right down in that glass and you can't see 5 feet ahead of you. Unless it's pretty light like this, it's just fine. When it gets really dark, combining is so hard. It's just anything in the dark just sucks. And I think now we're done with end rows. Yay, I'm taking the last end rows off this field. And there's down, nope. Ah, there was down corn here. Try to get it. The derecho messed some of this, I guess, is what they say. Or maybe not, I don't know, that's my guess. That big windstorm and whatever probably messed with it a little bit. Storm kind of messed with everything anyway. That's what I think, because everything was just odd. We didn't really get hit with the storm, but we needed the rain when that storm happened. And I won that. We needed the rain so bad. We had a great growing season, and up until that point, till there, it was a great growing season. We're just gonna hammer out some more corn, and you guys can probably just lay right there. That's a good spot for you. I can talk and drive and be hands-free. There's a wrench hole in there. You can watch things too, and go to the bin and do all that way. You gotta get the watch. So actually, I guess we're gonna try to combine corn. And we're almost at the end here to turn around. Almost so close to the end. And we're in the end. Spin around here. Back up. Kind of one of the things you gotta do with the combine is when you back up, you gotta be really careful. You can't see very much. Combine driver. It's amazing what you can get done with the combine that we have now. Compared to the Massive, we're doing one load, one semi truck a day. And all we had was that combine and we had the wagon. We can get 5, 6 semis out now, I guess. I don't know what our maximum capacity could be at, but we had a really, really good running day. We had pretty good days. I think we got 3 trucks out the other day. Yeah, I think that was 3. So we're going to see what happens here. Hopefully we're going to run another load of the combine yet tonight, and we're going to get a couple of these fields knocked out. I think this field is 10 acres if I'm wrong. I might be wrong, I don't know. It's going through the combine pretty well. There's a little bit of cob in the tank, but it ain't really that bad. I don't think we're going to get dock corn. We're going to stop. Back here, yeah, we got corn coming in. That's good. We're almost the window, so it's the noise of combining sounds. Okay, it's been a little while. I think the camera had a hiccup just a second ago. But we're hammering out the acres here. We got a truck out and gone. I'm running the M3 gleaner by myself. No one's here. The bin ain't filling up very fast right now. I'm just going slow. Yeah, we're plowing over at the moment. Oops. My fault. But we're hammering out the acres, doing a very good job. Not many things are too bad, but plowing over corn again. I stuck you guys out that little window over there for a second. I think I was kind of like something like that, but hopefully we're going to get to the end of this field soon here. We'll speed her up a little. There ain't very much corn here. Just finish up going down here. There ain't very much. We're going full speed ahead. Full tilt. Whoa, we're going to deer on a plant here. Yeah, look at that. Like nothing there. I'm going to set you guys down right there and then drive over to the next spot, next row thing. My header says hi. All people that just subscribe. Oh boy, I hope we're not going to be off by any. There we go. We're going to be on the ball this time, guys and gals. We're on the ball. Here we are. We're going now again. Working away, I guess. Burning the midnight oil. Burning the late shift, I guess. I think one of my dad's running the other gleaner right now. He's just over the hill. Can't see him, but I still think you guys like that view. It ain't a bad view for a corn head. That's pretty cool, ain't it? We're just hammering out the acres here. Said that about a gazillion times, but we're just trying to get all this corn in that we gotta do, and then hopefully we're gonna do a couple wide road fields, 4-row wide instead of 6-row narrow. And then I think we're going to be done for the year with 6-row after this farm. And then we're going to do 4-row wide. We only have one head. And that's a John Deere header. So we need the adapter off of this head in order to put on that header. So that's how that works. We do have an adapter on this machine right now. I don't know what brand it is, but it works really good. I like the John Deere headers. They're pretty good. They do a phenomenal job, I think. And we already have the adapter, so we thought, what the heck, we should probably just do it this way and stop pouching. Stop putting a cleaner head. Usually them are just all worn out and junk by the time we look at them for a good price, I guess, is what I think. My uncle's header is pretty nice on his cleaner. He's got another M3. He owns the big cleaner. The farm owns the smaller one. That's how it works. But he owns the bigger one with the bigger tires on it, or meaty. These tires are new, but they're BKTs, and I like them. I think they're a pretty good tire to run on your equipment. So that's what I just think. We got the 46 down here at the end, right there. And my phone, or no, the camera. The camera is just about to die, so I don't know if there's going to be an outro for this video. But one of these clips is going to be the last. And hopefully I'm not going to get demoted from this job because I like running combine. It's fun. It is really fun. And I really can't get the drone clips when I'm running the combine, but you guys get better rides in it. You guys haven't had much cab time with me at all in this track, or in this combine. Like maybe 5 minutes at the most. And this is another 5-minute segment I'm making right now. And we're to the end. So we're going to pick it up. There's the 46. Good lights on it. We're going to pull this thing around, and there should be a couple rows over here. Now you're figuring out why I hate driving this thing at night. You can't see 5 feet ahead of you. And I don't know how much this field has been done, but it looks like a good chunk of it. It's already down to the end of here. Yeah, we got a couple rounds left, and then we're done. I can't even believe that. We're almost done with this field. Trying to figure out where the corn is again. Over here, and then I think we're going to shut her down for the night after we get done with this field. I think he's moving the 46. I don't know, but it looks like that tractor moved. And we have rows. The last 6 rows of the cornfield we're in right now, you guys get to experience them coming off in your virtual whatever. Virtual reality on the YouTube. VR. Go down and then go straight, I guess, is what we're gonna do. So I'll set you guys down for this last pass. The old grain shelling sound. It makes a bad sound. After another sound make themselves happen when you're listening to it. That's a down corn on one of the steep sides we're picking up right now. That's why the height is so low. Whoa, we're off. Oh, there's 7 rows left actually. Oh, I know there's 6. There's only 6. I thought I saw 7 there. There's one stock standing out there. Oh, wait, that one went to the header. It was to the header anyway. Oh, we're getting to the end of here pretty quick. Hopefully, cross your fingers, we can get to the end and the camera's still alive by the time we get to the end of this field. We're just chugging along, I guess. Full speed ahead. That looks just slow right now. I think we're on top of the hill, and there's just a little bit more once you're on top of the hill. Then we're going to be done. So we're going to see how far we get. The edge bin is not really that full. I'm very impressed. It's yielding pretty good for what we did last year in the ground and town, I guess. Right here, I think we're done. I forgot I only get that much more to go after we get on top of the hill. We go full speed ahead again, and then we're going to go to another field tonight, and maybe open that up, and then go back ahead and sneak the night away. But we still got more corn to combine. Corn. Just got more corn. Feeding the world here. Feeding the world. Always gonna feed people. And here we go. Should be nearing the end of completion of this field. We should be just about done. Then button down. Try to get everything in. We got it. Your house is going up. You're pretty close to the glass. Okay, we're going to fold our auger out here and unload this off the header. That's the nice thing is you can shut the header and the separator off separately on this. And there's someone in the car over there, but we're going to put the auger out. That's the auger out button, by the way. I think it should be coming out. Yeah, you guys can just barely, yeah, you guys can't even see it. It's out there though. There's the bin. It's just about full. You can throttle down and shut the cylinder off and throttle back up again. Do you guys hear the motor? Motor, I think this is a Deutz in this one, so we're just gonna unload this and see you guys in a few. Guess what, people? It is that time. It's the end of your guys' video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. And we're done. Thanks for watching.